Hi, hello. Myself M.Naveenraj, Assistant Professor, Department of CSIOT. Welcome to the lecture series of blockchain technology. So, in today's topic, we are going to see about mining the block. So, nowadays, we all know that my blockchain technology is going to become an evergreen technology because every day the internet usage is getting increased. So, usage of internet has some disadvantage like the trust is very important when you're using the internet, so that the trust is given by your blockchain technology. So until the era of usage of internet, the blockchain technology will be there in order to provide the trust during the usage of internet. Okay, so we all know that what is mean by a blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that shares the record of all the transaction history to all the nodes who are connecting in the network. Okay, so in that we have different blocks. Okay, each node in the network we call as a block. So different each node means each computers we are using in the network for doing some process we called as block. Okay, so it is nothing but a data which contains all the details about the block creation date, time, and what is the previous block has value, and what is the next block, what is the transaction happens in currently. All the data will be in your network. Okay, in the single block that we called as the block. Okay, why do we need mining? So what is the purpose of doing some mining process? So normally just consider that you are going to bank and you are depositing 1,000 rupees of money. Okay, so the cashier will be there or some persons will be in the bank, will give you all the details about the transaction process. But in this blockchain technology, here there is no central authority, there is no persons who are supporting for you like a cashier, right? So the cashier in the bank will responsible for all the transactions happening every day, right? So similarly here we need some people. Okay, there is no central authority like cashier in the bank in the blockchain technology. So we need some people to take care about the transactions, whether it is a valid transaction or not. So for that purpose we need some miners. Okay, the persons who are doing this mining process we called as miners. What they are doing actually and what is the need of this, because there are so many transactions happening every day and every minute, right, nowadays. So we need to confirm that particular validation is proper validation transaction or not. So for that we need miners. So the people who are working for that validation of transaction is called as miners. Okay, this miners help for secure network transaction validation process. So they are all trustable persons. Okay, instead of central authority they are working here. So for that process they will get some rewards. Okay, for example, I am doing some corrections of paper, I am getting some amount of money for correcting the papers, right? So they are coding me for they are giving me so some amount of money for correcting the papers. Okay, based on the number of papers I have corrected I will get a money. Similarly, so the miners will get reward. Okay, once they started mining some blocks. Okay, so they will get some rewards. The mining, we all know that what is mining. It is a validation of transaction we called as mining. They will create some block and they will find out the previous block. In order to find out the previous block, they will keep on do some mathematical puzzle solving process. So whoever mining first will get the rewards. Okay, so everyone, it is like a competition, so everyone will do the mining. Okay, those who are having the highest supercomputer, okay, power, electricity in terms of GPU, the personal computer, how it supports. Okay, that but those who are using supercomputers will do the mining process firstly. Okay, so those people are winners. Okay, those who win the mining they will get reward immediately. Okay, so they will get reward in terms of bitcoins. So that bitcoin will be you can either sell or you can use that Bitcoin for some earning some money process, for example giving some funds or giving some financial. So there are a lot of things we can do with the Bitcoin. Okay, so we can you can use it for DeFi process or decentralized finance process. Okay, they will get interest every month. Okay, so like that we have a lot of process, that a lot of purpose are there for doing some mining process. Okay, so in order to identify whether the transaction is correct or not, we are doing mining. Okay, next is what is actually inside the block. So this block contains block header, block body,